Hello guys! Once again, welcome to my channel, Aurora and Saga. You're watching my video. Today guys, ang ituturo ko sa inyo ay kung paano mag-set up ng drone. This is our aircraft. Ito yung ating aircraft. Ito yung ating drone. Ang ating maliit na helicopter. Okay. Ito yung ating remote control. And then meron tayong battery. 3 batteries. Okay, first kuha tayo ng battery isa. Ito battery. Let's put it in here. Okay. Then, as we can see here, okay, let's remove first the cover. Ayan. As you can see here, meron directions. Unfold the rear arms downwards. And then, first is unfold the front arms forwards. And second is unfold the rear arms downwards. So let's unfold this forward and then downward. Okay. Next thing to do, sa remote po tayo. So unfold this. Open. Kasi dito natin ilalagay ang monitor natin. Then, meron tayong joystick. Lagay natin ang joystick. Lagay din natin ang joystick. Okay. So, ilalagay natin ang dito natin ilalagay ang phone. This is where we connect the monitor. Connect the monitor. Ayan. Okay, connect ng monitor natin. Okay, make sure that we already downloaded the software, the DJI software. Okay, so that's our software. So all you have to do is first switch on the aircraft, click once and long press. Okay, kita nyo gumalaw. Saka yan, tumunog. Ayun. And then, nag-blink-blink na yung ilaw niya. So, next is here. Open natin to. Same procedure. Press 1 and then long press. Okay, so tumunog na siya. And then nag-connect na siya sa aircraft natin. Ayan na sila. ang ating mga friends. Ayan, si Purg, si Chewbacca, si Piglet, saka si Pooh. Meron tayong P mode, S mode, saka C mode. Sign. Sport mode is high speed. Smooth mode is low speed. Okay. Take off with caution. Okay, ready na ang ating aircraft. Meron tayo dito mga control, safety control, camera transmission above. Maximum altitude, maximum distance. So, yan, no? I-set up lang yan. Tapos dito, meron tayong photo, video. Kung gusto natin yung gamitin, pwede. Pero, sa akin, guys, mas maganda kung dito ako, mas madali dito ako sa record. Ito yung sa picture, kung gusto mo mag-record dito, kung gusto mo mag-picture dito. Tsaka kung gusto mo ibaba at ibaba yung lens ng camera to the ground, ito lang, i-roll nyo lang yan. Okay?